What is up, everybody? Welcome to the video. So, you guys can't see it. We got the package. Okay, let's open this. You guys can't see it. Okay. I don't know who gave me scissors, but let's do it. Why? I'm gonna cut my fingers. Okay. Do I get it? I can just take it. Yes. And here it is. Oh, so goddamn happy right now. I think this thing has a hammer as well. You guys don't know what I mean by a hammer. Like this thing. This thing is what's called a hammer. Okay. I don't want to scratch her. Or him. Or whoever it is. Oh, there's still more. Yes, got it. That's actually pretty hard to pull back. These usually come with darts. I think the darts are right here. Jesus. See what I mean? I do not have those. No, only two. Only comes with two. Whatever. Yeah. Not to use the scissors. Oh, that thing right there. The place where we're actually supposed to rip it. Of course, I'm not gonna look there because I'm just an idiot. Okay, yeah. I have to. I messed up. I suck. What am I doing? God. Oh. Did it? Ooh. So does this shoot 2 bullets at a time? No. That thing is powerful. I'm gonna go shoot my dad. Not in this video, I'm still vlog. I'm so bad. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's so dark. Hey, Dad.
Now,
This thing is a little hard to pull back.
I guess so.
Oh my god. What the heck? There we go. Here.
You gotta push one in the end every time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, shoot me.
The top one is the shooter, or the bottom one's the shooter?
I think it's the top one.
I bet they both do.
No, they don't both shoot. Yeah, they don't. No, it's clicks when you know.
Well, I know. Like you said, there's no you don't have to move it. I'll show you.
Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. You see that?
I'm going to show you, please. So top one first.
Yep.
Bottom one second.
I know.
So you don't have to move them. I asked. Don't say I know.